Karsan Dasmulji, very good, Pravina. Karsan Dasmulji, for the purpose of what? For the purpose of what? Karsan Dasmulji started the Satya Prakash, the Gujarati language. For Paramahamsa Mantali, the main purpose is to abolition of caste. Like that, Satya Prakash, be specific. Is it connectivity is proper? Connectivity is proper or it is getting stuck? Struck. Okay. Is it okay now? I have changed it to mobile data. No, Pravina, it is for the widow remarriage. Okay. Satya Prakash started by Karsandas Mulji in Gujarat language. It advocates widow remarriage. Okay, widow remarriage. Okay. For defining a community as a scheduled tribe, government is following some certain recommendations of this committee. What was the committee? For declaring a community, there are many tribes. All tribes will not come under scheduled tribes. If you NCST is a national commission. I am asking the name of the committee. Based on this committee only, a community is added as scheduled tribe. Government is following these recommendations only. These committee recommendations government is following or analyzing for the inclusion of a community as scheduled tribe. Yes, start with L only, Kadiresh. You are right, Kadiresh. It is start with L only. Ashwin, no, it's a very famous committee. Okay, very good, Kokil. It is a Lokur committee. Okay, Lokur committee for defining a community as a scheduled tribe. Government is following the recommendations of Lokur committee. It was recently also in news, Lokur committee. Okay, you have to tell whether it is true or false. Registrar General of India is mandatory for the inclusion of any community in the scheduled tribe list. The permission of Registrar General of India is mandatory for the inclusion of any community in the scheduled tribe list. Registrar General of India. Yes, true. Very good, Dilipan. Registrar General of India's permission is very much mandatory for the inclusion of any community in the scheduled tribe list. Okay. Okay. For impeachment of president, the charges can be initiated by either house of the parliament and should be signed dash members of the house for the impeachment of president. The charges against president can be initiated. Initiation only I am asking. 1/4. Very good, people. It is 1/4 of the members. It is just for initiation. For the initiation itself, 1/4 members recommendation is needed. Okay. It should be signed by 1/4 members. Okay. International Space Station. Present in where in the atmosphere? Where it is present, International Space Station. Very simple, basic idea you give. Where it is present. Very good, Ashwin. This is present in the low Earth orbit. It is present in the low Earth orbit, International Space Station. Okay. This strait connects South China Sea with the East China Sea. This strait, STRAIT strait, connects South China Sea with the East China Sea. Very easy. Very good, Tawan. This is Taiwan Strait. Okay, Taiwan Strait connects South China Sea with the East China Sea. Okay. World's highest saltwater lake. World's highest saltwater lake. A very easy question. This is in highest, whether it is in highest elevation. World's highest saltwater lake. It will be in an elevated land. Pangong, very good, Pravina. Pangong Lake. World's highest saltwater lake is Pangong Lake. Okay. I will just give you the hanging point. You have to comment about it. C40. What I am talking about C40. C40. Just C40. With this word, you have to produce the result. This is a hanging point. Climate. Very good. Aravindan, can you elaborate on climate? C40 is climate. Very good. Carbon emission. Okay. It is the city's climate leadership group. City's climate leadership group. It consists of network of mayors of nearly 100 world leading cities to combat climate change. It network of mayors. Okay, mayor of nearly 100 world leading cities to combat climate change. It is the city's climate leadership group. Okay, C40. Okay. Multilateral fund is associated with dash initiative. Welcome, Mithun. Multilateral fund. Very easy question. IMF. Multilateral fund. Montreal Protocol. Very good, Ramya. Multilateral fund. Montreal Protocol. Multilateral fund. Montreal Protocol. Adaptation fund. Kyoto Protocol. Adaptation fund. Kyoto Protocol. Megarkar site. We know. It is located in the banks of Dash River. It's not a familiar river. Megarkar. Located in the banks of Dash River. It's not a familiar river. In the same river name, there is a pass. Like Khyber Pass. This is one of the pass, but the name itself, the river also there. Very easy. If you Megargar, where it is located, if you think like that, you will get the answer. Okay, I will tell you the answer. Megargar located on the banks of Bolan River. Okay, Megargar located on the banks of Bolan River. Bolen, Bolan River. Okay. Panchatantra Tales, no? Written by Panchatantra Tales. Written by, very easy question. Panchatantra Tales. No response. Very good. Vishwa. Okay. It is Vishnu Sharma. Okay. Vishnu Sharma. Panchatantra Tales written by Vishnu Sharma. It is translated into Arabic as dash, and it forms the basis of Aesop fables in the West. It is translated into Arabic as dash, and it also formed the basis of Panchatantra Tales by Vishnu Sharma is the source. In West, it is called as Aesop fables. It is translated. In Arabic, it is translated as dash. A very famous question. Panchatantra Tales, written by Vishnu Sharma, is translated into Arabic as dash. Like Mahabharata translated to Asia with as Rasam Nama. Like that I am asked. Very good, Pravina. It is Kalila Vadimma. Okay. Kalila Vadimma. Okay. Kalila Vadimma is the Panchatantra Tales translated to Arabic as Kalila Vadimma. Okay. You have to tell true or false. Nizamul Mulk, founder of Hyderabad, followed a tolerant policy towards Hindus. True or false? Nizam ul Mulk, founder of Hyderabad, followed a tolerant policy towards Hindus. True or false? True. Very good, Dilipman. It is true only. He followed the tolerant policy towards Hindus. Okay. Okay. Additional tier 1 bonds, 81 bonds. Additional tier 1 bonds. This introduced based on the Basel Accord. Okay, Basel Protocol. Based on this additional tier 1 bonds is introduced. Whether it is secured or unsecured. 81 additional tier 1 bonds. Economics. Whether it is secured or unsecured. Unsecured. Very good, Pravina. It is unsecured. Additional tier 1 bonds is unsecured. What is the maturity date duration? Maturity duration for the additional tier 1 bonds. 81. Very good, Dilipan. There is no maturity date. There is no maturity date for the additional tier 1 bonds. Okay. Whether it offers high returns or low returns. High returns or low returns. High returns. Very good, Ramya. Additional tier 1 bonds is unsecured. There is no maturity date. Introduced by the Basel Accords. It offers high returns. Okay. Okay. Article 82 deals with dash. Article 82 deals with dash. Article 82 deals with dash. You have to immediately tell. Very good. Delimitation Act. Okay. Article 82 deals with the delimitation. Okay. Delimitation. Okay. How much members or nominated by the governor in the legislative council. Okay, how much members nominated by governor in the legislative council? How much members? 1 by 6. Very good, Tavandu. 1 by 6. 1 by 6 of the legislative council is nominated by the governor. Okay. There are different types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, metamorphic, like that. Limestone come under what types of rocks? Limestone comes under what types of rocks? Sedimentary. Very good, Tavandu. Limestone comes under the sedimentary rocks. Okay. Golden Heights. Disputed territory between this and this. Golden Heights. A very easy question, baby question. As a disputed territory between this and this countries. Israel and Palestine. No, Tavandu. It's Russia. How come? What, Gokul? They're going out of the context. Very good. Israel and Syria. Okay, Golden Heights is a disputed territory between the Israel and Syria. It is very famous question. Golden Heights. Okay. Critical tiger habitat. Please listen to the question. Critical tiger habitat under Act. Which Act it is defined, or it is produced? Critical tiger habitat. Critical tiger habitat. No, Ashwin. No. No, Aravind. That is critical wildlife habitat. Please listen. Tavandu, very good, Tavandu. It is WP Act 1972. Okay. Critical wildlife habitat is Forest Right Act 2006. Critical tiger habitat is comes under the WP Act 1972. Okay. Don't confuse between these two. Okay. Ahar, Daimabad, Inamgon. These are all sites of what specifically? What kind of sites these are? Ahar, Daimabad, Inamgon. Neolithic. Okay. Neolithic. It is Chalcolithic sites. Okay. Chalcolithic. Agar, Daimabad, Inamgon. These are all the Chalcolithic sites. Chalcolithic sites. Okay. Westernmost IVC site. Westernmost IVC site. Westernmost IVC site. Very good, Gokul. It is Supta gender. Okay. Supta gender. Westernmost IVC site, Supta gender. Okay. Lapis lazuli, where it is obtained in the ancient days, which is the source for the lapis lazuli place. Lapis lazuli. Lapis Shortugai. Very good, Ashwin. Lapis lazuli present in the Shortugai. Shortugai in Afghanistan and lapis lazuli. Okay. Skandavara, a term, ancient term. Skandavara, ancient term. What meaning? Skandavara. Lord Muruga also called Skanda. Skandavara means what term? Skandavara. Guess what? Priest. No. Muruga was a warrior. Okay. Skandavara is a military camp. Okay. Skandavara is a military camp. Skandavara means military camps, the terms. Okay. There are different types of philosophical schools, which is the oldest philosophical school. There are 6 basic philosophical schools. Which is the oldest? Oldest philosophy. Very good, sir. And it is Sankhya. Okay, Sankhya School of Philosophy. Who was the founder of Sankhya School? Sankhya founder. Kapila. Very good, Adiban. Kapila is the founder of Sankhya School, oldest philosophical school. Okay. National Tiger Conservation Authority established under what act? National Tiger Conservation Authority established under what act? WP. Very good. WP Act 1972, National Tiger Conservation Authority. Critical tiger habitat also WP Act 1972. Okay. Silver economy deals with dash. Silver economy, a very easy question. Silver economy deals with dash. Welcome, Dilipan. Silver economy. Very good. Special focus on aging population. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. Silver economy, special focus on aging population. Okay. You have to clearly listen to the question. There is an organization called Collective Security Treaty Organization. There is an organization called Eastern European Economic Union. In these two organizations, the same members will come in both the organizations, except one country. In collective security organizations, there are set of countries. These countries will also come under the Eastern Economic European Union, but one country will not come. No, Tawaindu, you are similar type of answer. No, it is Tawaindu, you are somewhat near, but you have to name. It will rhyming words will be the country also will start with those things only. You are somewhat near Tawaindu. Turkey, no, it is not. Very good, Adiban. It is Tajikistan. Okay, Tajikistan is the only country which present in collective security organization, but not in the Eastern European Economic Union. Okay, Belarus, Armenia, Russia, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan. BARC, the mnemonics is BARC, will come under both the Eastern European Economic Union and the Collective Security Treaty Organization, except Tajikistan. Okay, Tajikistan. Chennakesava temple, where it is located, place and state. Place also you have to tell. Chennakesava temple, a famous place. Yeah, state you are telling. I am be specific. Place also I need. Karnataka is very nice. Belur, very good, Pravina. Chennakesava temple, Belur, Karnataka. Chennakesava temple, Belur, Karnataka. Okay. You have to tell whether it is true or false. Jet streams blows from west to east. True or false? Jet streams blows from west to east. True. Very good, Ramya. Jet stream blows from west to east. Roper, where it is located, the place Roper. It is also one of the IBC state, Roper, and it is wetland also there. Okay. It is Haryana or Punjab? Punjab. Okay. Roper is in the Punjab. Roper is in Punjab. Haryana, Punjab. Okay. Punjab. Roper is present in the Punjab. Some disturbances from external so kindly tolerate because on the roadside there are so many disturbances. Okay, tell me some subsidiaries of RBI, subsidiary organizations of RBI, which comes under the directly under the RBI, subsidiary organization of RBI. There are some 6 organizations. You can quote some of the organizations, subsidiaries of RBI. Subsidiaries of RBI. No organization, monetary policy, not like that. There are some very good, Ramya. DACG, Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation. Exim Bank, I don't think it will come under a subsidiary of RBI. Insurance, no. Or yes, housing. Okay, I will tell you the subsidiaries of RBI. Deposit Insurance Credit Guarantee Corporation. One, okay. NPCA will not under subsidiary of RBI. Bharat Reserve Bank Note Mundran Private Limited. Bharat Reserve Bank Note Mundran Private Limited. Reserve Bank Information Technology Private Limited. Okay. Indian Financial Technology and Allied Service. Reserve Bank Innovation Hub. Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India Limited. Okay, very good, Pravina. DICGC, Bharat Reserve Bank Note Mundran Private Limited, Reserve Bank Information Technology Private Limited, Indian Financial Technology and Allied Services, Reserve Bank Innovation Hub, Security Printing and Minting Corporation of India. Okay. GI tag is issued by Dash. Who? The responsible person, position. GI tag is issued by Dash. Ministry is be specific inside the ministry. DPIIT also very good. I am asking the position of the person. This person, this in this position will award the GA tag. No, department is correct. Ministry also correct. Be specific inside the department. This the person occupying this position is giving the GA tag. Okay, DGFT, I don't know. Okay, Very good. No, okay, I will tell you the answer. GE tag is issued by Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks. Okay, GE tag is issued by Controller General of Patents, Design and Trademarks. Okay, okay, I will just give you the hanging point. You have to make the result out of it. Universal Periodic Review. Universal Periodic Review. It is just the hanging point. You have to produce something out of it. What I am talking about, Universal Periodic Review, is associated with what? A very easy question. UNGA, be specific. Sustainable development? No. Human rights, very good, Pravina. It is a human right. It's a procedure of United Nations Human Rights Commission for reviewing the human rights of all countries every dash years. Okay. Universal Periodic Review is a procedure of the United Nations Human Rights Commission for reviewing the human rights of all countries every, very good, Dilipan. It is 4 years. For every 4 years, they will review. UNHRC. The name is Universal Periodic Review. Okay. Uh, who, uh, who is the chairperson of National Security Council? Ex officio position, National Security Council chairperson. National Security. Very good, Dilipan. It is Prime Minister. Chairperson of National Security Council is Prime Minister. Okay. Okay. Alamgir Nama. Aurangzeb also known as Alamgir. Alamgir. Alamgir Nama written by whom? Alamgir Nama written by whom? Very good, Aravind. Is it Mirza Muhammad Kazim? Okay, Mirza Muhammad Kazim. Alamgir Nama written by Mirza Muhammad Kazim. Okay, another very simple question, easy question. Boundaries of the black holes are known as dash. Boundaries of the black holes are known as dash. Boundaries of the black holes is known as dash. Very good, Aravind. It is event horizon. Okay, event horizon. Boundaries of the blank holes are known as the event horizon. Okay. Another somewhat tricky question, but looks easy. Procedure established by law obtained from dash constitution. Think and tell the answer. Procedure established by law obtained from dash constitution. Looks easy, but is tricky. Japan, very good. Japanese constitution. Procedure established by law obtained from the Japanese constitution. Procedure established by law obtained from Japanese constitution. Okay. In preventive detention case, a person cannot be detained for more than dash duration without report of an advisory board report. Very good. 3 months. Okay. Preventive detention case, a person cannot be detained for more than 3 months without the report of an advisory board report. Okay. You have to some broad theme. You can, if you give it is enough. Inselberg. Just a hanging point. Inselberg. What it is? Just a broad. Inselberg. Erosional. No, what it is actually? It's a form you are saying. Erosion features. Okay, what Inselberg it is? Okay, it is an isolated rock field. Okay, Inselberg is an isolated rock field due to erosion. Okay, Inselberg. Okay. Ocean trenches. Please listen carefully. Ocean trenches is formed in this type of plate boundaries. Ocean trenches formed. No. Please understand. Only no, Ramya. This is wrong. Convergent boundary. Very good, Tavandu. Ocean trenches are formed in the convergent boundary. Okay, no, divergent is not the answer. Convergent boundary. Please listen. Ocean trenches formed in the convergent boundary. Okay. Mid-oceanic ridge formed on the dash boundary. Mid-oceanic ridge. Mid-oceanic ridge formed what kind of? Very good, Ramya. It is divergent boundary. Mid-oceanic divergent boundary. Oceanic trenches convergent boundary. Okay. Next, Rift Valley. Rift Valley is formed in the dash type of boundary. Rift Valley. Rift. No, Arvind. It is again divergent. Very good, Adipan. Again divergent. Oceanic trenches, convergent boundary. Mid-oceanic ridge, divergent boundary. Rift Valley also divergent boundary. Okay. This plate located between North America and the Pacific plate. Minor plate. I already asked several in previous session. between North America and Pacific plate. It's a minor plate. North America. Cocos, very good, Subhash. Cocos plate between North America and the Pacific plate. Similar to that, between South America and Pacific plate, a minor plate. South America and Pacific plate. Very good, Tommy. Nazca plate. Okay, Nazca plate between South America and Pacific plate. Cocos plate between North America and Pacific plate. Okay. Botia tribe predominantly in the state of Dash. Botia tribe predominantly in the state of Dash. It may be present in other few states also. No, Bhutia. You are saying Bhutia tribe, Subhash Chandra Bose. I am asking Bhotia. Bhotaa. Bhotia. Bhotia tribe. Bhotia tribe. Uttarakhand. Very good. Very good. Very good, Subhash Chandra. Bhotia tribe. Bhotia tribe in the Uttarakhand. Okay. 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 Banigal Pass is located in the which range? Banigal Pass. Which mountain, hills, range? Banigal Pass. Banigal. Pirpanjal. Very good. Tava in the Pirpanjal. Okay. Like that, you have to tell Potula Pass. Potula. Photu. Potula Pass. Banigal Pass. Pirpanjal. Okay. Potula Pass. No. Be specific. The hills, range, mountain, like that. I'm asking. Potula Pass. Photu. Potula. Very good, Arvind. It is Zanskar range. Okay. Zanskar range. Potula Pass. Like that. Kardungla Pass. Kardungla Pass. Kardungla Pass. Kardungla. Kardungla. Kardungla Pass. What range? Mountains, hills. Kardungla. Okay, I will tell you. Very good, Gokul. It is Ladakh range. Okay, Kardungla is in the Ladakh range. Kardungla. Jojila. Jojila Pass. Jojila Pass. Jojila. Jojila Pass. Jojila Pass. Okay, Jojila Pass is in the Greater Himalayas. Okay, Jojila Pass in the Greater Himalayas. Jojila Pass in the Greater Himalayas. Okay, I am asking a geographical term. Very good, Ramya. Geographical term. It is somewhat very basic. Some literal meaning you have to tell. Okay, it's a wind. Some basic term is one whose direction and the speed are determined by a balance of the pressure gradient force and Coriolis. Some basic. Don't go for the applied. It's a wind whose direction and speed are determined by a balance of the pressure gradient force and the Coriolis. This somewhat go to basics like orogenic process, epirogeny, diastropism, like that you have to think. Very good, Arvind. It is geostropic wind. Okay. Geostropic wind is one whose direction and speed are determined by the balance of the pressure gradient force and the Coriolis. Okay, Geo. Okay. You have to tell whether it is true or false. Jet stream is an example of geostropic wind. Jet stream is an example of geostropic wind. True or false? True. Very good, Dilipan. Jet stream is an example of geostropic wind. Okay. Johat. Johad. Johat. Water harvesting system. Predominantly in the state of Johat. 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 Joh. Rajasthan. Very good, Subhash Chandra Bose. Johat water harvesting system predominantly in the state of Rajasthan. Okay. Minor minerals are defined under Dash Act. These are all minor minerals. Like that is defined under what act? Sand is a minor mineral or this element is minor mineral. These are all defined under what act? No, no response. Very good, very good, very good, Dilipan. It's Mines and Mineral Development Act 1957. Okay, Mines and Mineral Development Act 1957. Okay, Mines and Mineral Development Act 1957. Minor minerals are defined under Mines and Mineral Development Act 19. Shakti, you have not submitted vulnerability mapping. If you are Anna Nagar, kindly meet me. If you are not in Anna Nagar, send me your PDF. Shakti, you have not yet submitted the vulnerability mapping. Okay, you have to tell whether it is true or false. Repeated parliamentary approval is not required for the continuation of financial emergency. Repeated parliamentary approval is not required for continuation of financial emergency. Very good. Kavayandu, it is true. Only repeated parliamentary approval is not required for continuation of financial emergency. Okay. This is personality who issued gold coins for the first time in India. Who issued personality, not empire or dynasty. Issued gold coins for the first time in India. Very good, very good. It's a Bhima Kadapsis. Okay, Bhima Kadapsis. Bhima Kadapsis issued gold coins for the first time in India. Bhima Kadapsis. Okay. Another somewhat difficult question. Medieval India. Tariq-i Firoshahi, written by Tariq-i Firoshahi, written by Tariq-i Firoshahi, written by Tariq-i Firoshahi, written by. Okay, it's somewhat difficult. I will tell you the answer. Tariq-i Firoshahi, written by Shams-i Siraj Afid. Okay. Tariq-i Firoshahi, written by Shams, S-H-A-M, Shams-i Siraj Afid. Okay, Afid. Written this Tariq-i Firoshahi. This is somewhat difficult one. Okay. Indian Association of Cultivation of Science, founded by Indian Association of Cultivation of Science in 1876, like that, on those time. Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science. These are all the difficult questions. Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science. No answers. Okay, I will tell you the answer. It is Mahendralal Sarkar. Okay, Mahendralal Sarkar. A good guess, Ashwin, but the answer is Mahendralal Sarkar, Indian Association for the Cultivation of Science. Mahendralal Sarkar. Okay. This is a book. You have to. Who wrote this book like that? My Memories of INA and its Netaji. My Memories of INA, Indian National Army, and its Netaji. Who wrote this book? My Memories of INA and its Netaji. These are not familiar. Very good, Aravind. It is Shah Nawaz Khan. Okay, My Memories of INA and its Netaji is written by Shah Nawaz Khan. Okay, Shah Nawaz Khan. We are in the last period of today's session. Only 4 more minutes are remaining. Okay, Patiali is a place in Uttar Pradesh. This person was born at Patiali in Uttar Pradesh, a famous person during medieval times. Need not be a ruler, but a famous person in the medieval times. Patiali, a place in Uttar Pradesh, is the birthplace of this personality. Any guess or clue? Okay, I will give you the clue. No, it's somewhat good guess, Ashwin. The clue is parrot. Very good, Praveen. It is Amir Khusro. Okay, birthplace of Amir Khusro is Patiali in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Amir Khusro. Okay. What was the original name of Amir Khusro? Original name of Amir Khusro. Like Raja Todarmal means Magesh Das, like that. Original name, any guess? Okay, this is somewhat difficult question only. I will tell you the answer. The original name of Amir Khusro is very good. This is not Abul Hasan, Muhammad Qasim. Okay, Muhammad Qasim. Maybe it's a lengthy name. Muhammad Qasim. Okay, original name maybe Muhammad Qasim. Original name of Amir Khusro is Muhammad Qasim. Maybe Muhammad Abul Qasim. I am not clear, but the original name is Muhammad Qasim. Okay. Okay. Who that sultanates refused to implement Shariat on the advice of Qazi. Qazi means the people who obey Shariat, they give advice to the emperor. But this sultan refused to implement the Shariat on the advice of Qazi. Ferosha. Alauddin Khilji, very good question. Alauddin Khilji refused to implement the Shariat on the advice of Qazi. Okay. Okay. You have to tell the amendment and the article. Okay. To minimize inequalities in income, status, facilities, and opportunities, you have to tell the article and the amendment. This explanation I have given is related to which article and which amendment. To minimize inequalities in income, status, facilities, 30, it is 38. Okay, 44th Constitutional Amendment, Article 38. Okay. Article 38. This one is Article 38 to minimize inequalities in income, status, facilities, and opportunity. Article 38, 44th Amendment Act. Okay. Indian Association of Calcutta, founded by dash and dash. Indian Association of Calcutta. This is the last question of today's session. Indian Association of Calcutta. Uh, who was the founders? Very good. One is correct. Anand Mohan Bose and Surendranath Banerjee. Very good, Gokul. Very good, Shakti. Indian Association of Calcutta was founded by Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose. Surendranath Banerjee and Anand Mohan Bose. Okay, with this, we are winding up today's session. We will meet tomorrow. Thank you, everyone, for participation. Day by day, strength is very reducing. Only a few people are turning up. Okay. Okay, thank you, everyone. I'm winding up the session. Thank you, Ashwin. Thank you, everyone. Okay.